Thai basil is what happens when basil stops being polite. Most people think all basil is the same. Green leaves, soft aroma, Italian pasta vibes. Thai basil breaks that illusion immediately. One smell is enough to know this plant belongs somewhere else entirely. Botanically, Thai basil is Ocimum basilicum var. Thersiflora. It belongs to the mint family, Lamiaceae, but behaves nothing like mint and very differently from sweet basil. It has purple stems, narrow pointed leaves, and small violet flowers. Even visually, it signals intensity. The aroma is the giveaway. Thai basil smells sharp, spicy, and complex. There are clear notes of anise, licorice, clove, and pepper. This comes from its essential oils, especially estragol and anatole. These compounds give Thai basil its signature edge. Unlike sweet basil, Thai basil does not collapse under heat. This single trait defines its role in cooking. Where Italian basil wilts, darkens, and loses aroma, Thai basil stands firm. It keeps its shape. It keeps its scent. It even becomes more expressive. This heat resistance is why Thai basil dominates stir-fries, curries, and soups. It is added late, often directly into hot woks or boiling broths, where it releases aroma without turning bitter. Culturally, Thai basil is inseparable from Southeast Asia. Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia rely on it not as garnish but as structure. Dishes are built around it. In Thai cuisine, Thai basil is essential to dishes like pad krapao, green curry, red curry, and spicy stir-fried meats. Without it, the dish feels incomplete, muted, unfinished. Vietnamese cuisine uses Thai basil fresh, often raw, served alongside pho and noodle soups. It provides contrast. The broth is deep and savory, the basil cuts through with brightness and spice. Flavor-wise, Thai basil is not gentle. Raw, it is pungent and slightly peppery. Cooked, it becomes warm, rounded, and aromatic. It does not fade into the background. This makes Thai basil a directional ingredient. You do not sprinkle it randomly. You commit to it. Once added, the dish speaks Thai basil. Nutritionally, Thai basil is more powerful than it looks. It contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium, iron, and magnesium. Its essential oils have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Traditional medicine systems in Southeast Asia use Thai basil for digestion, inflammation, and respiratory support. Teas and infusions made from the leaves are common remedies. Agriculturally, Thai basil thrives in warm climates. It grows fast, loves sun, and tolerates humidity. It is less forgiving of cold than sweet basil and stops growing when temperatures drop. The purple stems are not decorative. They indicate higher anthocyanin content, compounds linked to antioxidant activity. This also explains its stronger flavor. Thai basil plants are resilient. Regular harvesting encourages growth. The more you cut, the more it produces. This abundance made it a staple in home gardens. One mistake many people make is substituting sweet basil for Thai basil. This does not work. The flavor profile is completely different. Sweet basil brings sweetness and softness. Thai basil brings spice and clarity. Another mistake is overcooking it. While heat-resistant, Thai basil still prefers late-stage cooking. Add it too early and you flatten its aromatic complexity. Storage matters. Thai basil lasts longer than sweet basil but still hates cold. Refrigeration dulls its aroma. Room temperature storage with stems in water works better short-term. Visually, Thai basil is expressive. The contrast between green leaves and purple stems adds depth to dishes. It looks alive, intentional, bold. Philosophically, Thai basil represents confidence in flavor. It does not hide. It does not compromise. It tells the eater exactly where the dish comes from. This is why Thai basil cannot be neutral. It always announces itself. In modern global cuisine, Thai basil is spreading beyond Southeast Asia. Fusion kitchens use it in pizzas, cocktails, and salads. When done right, it adds unexpected sharpness. But misuse is obvious. Thai basil does not want subtlety. It wants context. Strong sauces, hot pans, bold ingredients. Thai basil is not Italian basil with attitude. It is its own language. When you taste Thai basil, you are not tasting a leaf. You are tasting climate, culture, and heat.